In the world of heavy weaponry, there are names that strike fear into the enemy's heart. Today we're going to explore one such name. A machine gun whose devastating power and unparalleled accuracy have redefined the rules of engagement. Join us as we journey into the world of the Kord machine gun, a powerful weapon from the heart of Russia that has demonstrated flawless performance in the most demanding conditions. In this video we will examine the history, technical specifications, operation, and applications of this legendary weapon, and discover why the Kord has earned a unique place among the world's heavy armaments. In the late 1980s and early 1990s, the Russian military sought a replacement for the NSV heavy machine gun, which had been in service since the 1970s. Despite its decent performance, the NSV had drawbacks such as its heavy weight and less than ideal accuracy at long ranges. With the collapse of the Soviet Union and subsequent political and economic changes, the need for a new and more modern weapon became even more pressing. Consequently, the development project for the Kord machine gun began in the 1990s, and it officially entered service with the Russian military in 1998. The primary goals in designing the Kord were to reduce weight, increase accuracy, and improve reliability compared to the NSV. By utilizing advanced design and manufacturing technologies, this new weapon significantly achieved these objectives and replaced the NSV as a powerful and effective heavy machine gun in the Russian armed forces. The Kord machine gun utilizes the powerful 12.7 x 108mm cartridge, which is widely used in Russian heavy weapons. This large caliber provides the Kord with significant destructive power, enabling it to effectively engage targets such as lightly armored vehicles, fortifications, and even low-flying aerial targets. The weapon is typically fed with 50 or 70 round ammunition belts, allowing for sustained and effective fire on the battlefield. The high power of this weapon results in an effective range of up to 2,000 meters, which is a considerable range for a heavy machine gun. This effective range allows the Kord to engage enemy targets from long distances and plays a crucial role in providing fire support for troops. The Kord machine gun has been produced in various versions to meet the diverse needs of the armed forces. The main variant of this weapon is used by infantry on a tripod mount, but other models have been designed for installation on tanks, armored personnel carriers APCs, and other armored vehicles. For example, the 6P50 model, which is widely mounted on T-90, T-80, and Armata tanks, is one of the most widely used Kord variants. These models typically feature specialized electronic and mechanical systems for integration with the tank's fire control systems. In addition to tanks, the Kord is also mounted on armored vehicles such as the BTR-80, playing a significant role in increasing the firepower of these vehicles. This weapon has been used in various conflicts, including the Chechen Wars, the South Ossetia War, and the recent conflict in Ukraine, proving its effectiveness and reliability in diverse climatic and geographical conditions. In conclusion, the Kord machine gun has established itself as a powerful, accurate, and reliable weapon, earning a distinguished place among the world's heavy machine guns. With its powerful caliber, long effective range, and adaptability to various platforms, it has met the diverse needs of the armed forces of Russia and other countries. From its unique design and advanced mechanism to its effective presence in various conflicts, the Kord has consistently been recognized as an efficient tool on the battlefield. We hope you have enjoyed this comprehensive overview of the Kord machine gun and gained valuable insights. If you are interested in this type of video, be sure to subscribe to the Military Weapons 365 channel to stay updated on our new videos about various military weapons around the world. Also, don't forget to like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching.